Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you how I made these two new additions to my beautiful flower garden in my balcony. Actually, I have already made a vase very similar to those two. Let's see if you can spot it. So for this first one, I actually want to make it as similar as possible as the previous one I made, very similar to these two. And the only thing I want to change is invert the colors. And since the other one had a blue background and yellow pieces with a yellow grout, I will try and create a blue grout for this one. For my second vase, I decided I wanted to do it all red with a white grout as a background. Now, I don't know if you can tell, it's quite difficult actually because the two hues of reds are very similar. However, I'm actually using a shiny red but also a matte red for this one. So these mosaics had enough time to dry, and so now I will grout them so tomorrow I can put all the rocks at the bottom and the grout in the middle. We will be doing this while drinking delicious coffee. The grouting of this vase, I actually want to do a small experiment and turn the grout from white to blue, and for that I'll be using this little thing. I've been meaning to ask my mom because she's usually an expert. When I don't know something, I would ask her but I haven't asked her whether it's a good or bad idea. I just want to try it and we'll see. And I know she will see this video, so in advance if this is wrong, I'm sorry, Mom. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Okay. Let's not go crazy. I feel like the result is very nice, but we have to see when it dries. You can see it's much lighter. This here, let's see, can you see the difference? Slightly more blue, but we will compare them again once the grout on the second one is done. which one of the two is actually your favorite. Don't forget to let me know in the comments, and in the meantime, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.